What is going on YouTube? It's me Austin here from Cheers to Railfanning Productions, and I have another unboxing video. This is essentially the same radio that I have had before, but didn't really get a chance to do an unboxing. So, this is the unboxing of the Yaesu FT-4XR, which is a direct competitor to the railfanning UV5R radios. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. See what we have in the box. I'm really surprised that they're still making this radio because I originally thought that it was discontinued, but I guess they're still making them. So, I'm going to go ahead and point this downwards. Lots of styrofoam. Okay, so this is the FT-4X, as I said, Yaesu. Obviously it's made in China. So right off the bat, we have the owner's manual / instruction manual. This was ordered off of hamradioOutlet.com. Yeah, this thing is very small. The reason why I bought another one is because they, I lost my other one while I was railfanning over there at, on the CN Champaign district. Over there in Effingham. So this is the charging dock. This is the charging apparatus. Instruction manual, as I said. Then, if for those people that are in a European countries, it does come with the adapter, which I won't be using that because I'm in the US. And then here is the battery. This is a 7.4 volt, 17,500 milliamp hour LiPo battery. The Yaesus for the past used the they used the nickel hydride batteries, but now they're going with the lithiums. So we're gonna peel that plastic off. It does come with the stock antenna. I'm thinking about buying another diamond antenna. So this is a SMA female connector rather than an SMA male. So we're gonna screw on the antenna. So these are pretty easy to program, unlike the railfanning radios where you have to use the chirp software to program all the frequencies. The PTT button is locked, so you can't really transmit. And then here is the belt clip that comes along with it, the charging dock, as I said, and the charging apparatus. So anyways, that concludes the unboxing of the Yaesu FT-4X. As I said, I lost my other FT-4X that I bought 2 Christmases ago. Please excuse me, I'm a little under the weather today because of the change in the weather conditions. But there you go. Now to install the belt clip, which I'm going to go ahead and do a separate video on this. You have 2 screws, and you just essentially screw it on with those 2 holes in there. Pretty straightforward. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a separate video on how to program, since I never really got to do an unboxing with my other one that I've had. But yeah, as I said, this is a direct competitor to the Battlefield UV5R radios. They kind of turned away from like the big bulky ham radios like the Yaesu FT-4XR, which I'll go ahead and do a comparison here. This model it's over 5 years old. Still works great, as you all can see. You can notice its size comparison. This one is very smaller than the FT-4XR that I have here. So anyway, I thank you all for watching.